This is the Xiaomi Mi 9, a device that you should be looking forward to as much as we have. It's been heavily teased over the last few days, and let's just say that the end product lives up to all the hype. Reporting from New York City, I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow, and let's go hands-on. If last year we had TechTober, I wonder if we could call this Phonebruary or Phonebruary, as the closeness to MWC means lots and lots of phones to see. And we begin with one of the most interesting ones. I don't know how Xiaomi does it, they launch awesome phones and they price them aggressively. Visually, the Mi 9 is simply gorgeous. We have what they call a full curved glass made of Gorilla Glass 5 in the back with an interesting holographic spectrum that shifts color depending on the variant you choose and angle you look at it. Sadly, the lighting in this venue didn't really help me portray that, but we'll have a full review soon to share more. Like in the case of the Mi 8, there's also a transparent edition that's quite stunning. Obviously, I can't confirm if what you see here are true internals being shown, but what I do know is that the back is a co-marketing strategy with the movie Alita, with the codename shown in the back. The front is of Gorilla Glass 6, and there's a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display at 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio. It's a good display, though not the brightest at 430 nits. There's a teardrop notch at the top that houses the 20-megapixel camera. It enables AI portrait selfies, scene detection, and also face to unlock, and there's also an optical fingerprint scanner embedded on the display which shortcuts if you use gestures while unlocking the phone. There are three important characteristics of this device. The first being its internals. This is one of the world's first devices to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855. It's matched with 6GB of RAM and storage options that are either 64 or 128GB. We have a 3300 mAh battery and a fast 18-watt charger supplied in the box, so the phone is capable of up to 27 watts in a technology Xiaomi dubs Charge Turbo. That note segues into the second characteristic. This device does support Qi wireless charging, but at its fastest Qi usually tops at 15 watts, which is still kinda slow. Xiaomi has a new proprietary charging technology on this phone that could go up to 20 watts and charge the phone in an hour and 4 minutes. Best of all, the special charger only costs $30 and can charge any other Qi device with a typical 10 watts. Xiaomi is also about accessories as well. They showed us a Qi wireless charging power bank, and also the coolest car mount I've ever seen. It detects when you want to attach the phone and opens the grips, and then loosens them when you want to remove the phone, all while charging the phone through Qi. The third characteristic are the three cameras. The camera in the middle is a Sony IMX586 48-megapixel camera at f1.75 aperture that uses pixel binning to create a larger 1.6 microns at 12 megapixels. At the top we have a 16-megapixel ultra-wide camera at f2.2 and 117 degrees of field of view. Below we have a 12-megapixel telephoto at f2.2. There's AI portrait, scene detection, wide-angle distortion correction, steady night photography, and more. Powering the show is MIUI, which is not my favorite, but at least is powered by Android 9 Pie with lots of services mainly geared towards the Asian market. Sadly, it's too early to provide a full opinion over if it's useful or not. Overall, the Xiaomi Mi 9 is a very beautiful phone. It's powerful and offers unique features that we can't really wait to try out in our review period. This is Xiaomi's first time launching a product both in China and globally at the same time, so there's lots to look forward to. Also, keep in mind 5G related announcements will happen during their event at MWC, which we will be covering as well. Let us know what you think about the Xiaomi Mi 9 in the comments down below, and while you're at it, make sure you follow us on social media. Subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.